Prime Minister Modi has visited flood-hit Punjab. After his visit to Himachal, Prime Minister Modi interacted with the flood victims in Punjab. We are learning now PM has visited Gurdaspur in Punjab as part of his planned visit. Those visuals also coming in of the Prime Minister as he met those who were affected by the floods in Punjab. For this, Prime Minister Modi was in Kangra in Himachal to take stock of the situation, and right now he is in Punjab interacting with the flood victims here. He has visited Gurdaspur area of Punjab, which is one of the most affected regions in Punjab. Big breaking news coming in of the Prime Minister. We are learning visited the flood hit areas of Punjab. He is in Gurdaspur at this point in time, taking stock of the situation. Remember, he's also announced financial assistance for Himachal Pradesh earlier. About 1,500 crore rupees have been announced as financial aid for Himachal Pradesh, and he's currently meeting the people here, the victims of Punjab floods at the moment, and taking stock of the situation. Gurdaspur is one region which is most affected, along with Amritsar and other areas as well. But Prime Minister Modi chose Gurdaspur as his first location, where he's here to meet the men and women who are affected by the floods. Well, Punjab is facing its worst flood situation over the last few decades at this point in time, we understand. And Prime Minister Modi here is in the state to lend support to the people, to take stock of the situation as well, after he had gone to visit Himachal, where he also announced a huge financial assistance of 1,500 crore rupees for those who are affected in Himachal Pradesh. Well, Punjab is still recovering from the floods, and so is Himachal. And after Himachal, we understand Prime Minister Modi is in Punjab visiting the flood affected areas. It also conducted an aerial survey earlier of Mandi and Kullu in Himachal, after which he is right now in Punjab meeting the people there, talking to them and hearing their problems. We've seen how Punjab has been completely devastated because of the flood situation. The infrastructure has been completely damaged, and we understand after this, Prime Minister Modi also earlier had assured that the centre would provide all relief and rescue for the state, after which we understand he is here on the ground meeting the people at this point in time and taking stock of the situation. Well, Punjab is witnessing its worst floods in the recent decades, and Prime Minister Modi is here in the state to assess the damage caused by heavy monsoon floods that have affected thousands across the state. We understand the situation has only worsened, with the death toll also going up to about 51 as per the Punjab government data. Well, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann is still recovering at a private hospital in Mohali, we understand. However, he also had welcomed the Prime Minister's visit and also had expressed hope that adequate relief measures will be taken by the centre as well. All right, this is what we are learning at the moment. Well, Prime Minister Modi is meeting people here, flood victims in Gurdaspur. My colleague Gurpreet Chinna also now joins us on the broadcast here. Gurpreet, Prime Minister Modi here interacting with the victims here in Gurdaspur in Punjab. What is the schedule going to be?
Well, we have seen Prime Minister has visited Himachal Pradesh also. He met the Himachal Chief Minister also, and he had already made announcement for the relief compensation to various locations of Himachal Pradesh. Now, a few minutes back, I'll request my visitor to show all these pictures. We have seen he conducted aerial surveys in the aerial survey in the various locations of Punjab. And after that, he has come here in district Gurdaspur, where he held a detailed meeting with the flood victims, and he had decided they are trying to chalk out. And a few minutes back, we have seen even the BJP leaders who spoke to us. They are saying the meetings were being held, and even the top officials of Punjab governments, including the ministers also, they were being involved in that. And all the things are being discussed at length to just find out how the compensation can be given to Punjab and how the infrastructure which has already been damaged because of flood that can be revamped once again. So he has just left from Gurdaspur and he held a detailed meeting with even the BJP leaders who were also present, because he had come to get the proper input from all the leaders from the local administration as well as from the government also, so that he will be able to assess how much loss and how much damage has been taken place in Punjab because of floods. Back to studio.
All right, thank you so much, Gurpreet, for getting us those details there. We'll come back to you later as more developments come in.